Hello, welcome to my class children. Good morning to everybody. Now, in this class today I am telling you unit number 5. That is, what is the name of the lesson? The wise king of Mewar. It is here, he is wise king. He was wise king of the Mewar kingdom. He is ruling the kingdom of Mewar. He is so wise. So, he is looking the people very well in his kingdom. It is the story about the king of Mewar. Here, some dictation words are written here. I am telling the meaning here. Strolling means walking in slow and relaxed way. We are walking slowly. That is what strolling. Royal means relating to a queen or a king. Relating to a king or a queen, that is called royal. Attendance means to a person whose job is to help, whose job is to look after the others. He is called attendant. Then hurry means to do something quickly, to do something what very quickly, that is called hurry. Calm means relax, quiet, so quiet. Then silent. Then palm means that is wrist in the hand, in the surface in the hand in which we are holding the things. This is called what? Palm. Then nervous. Nervous means what? Nervous means worrying about something, frightened about something, worrying and frightening. That is called nervous. Pardon means what? Pardon means to let someone free without being punished. To let it leave them free by not giving the punishment. That is called pardon. Not giving the punishment is called what? It is called pardon. Not giving the punishment. Let it leave them free. That is called pardon. Pet. What? Pet meaning to throw something at someone. To throw things at someone or something. Throwing the something is called pet. Stroke means what? To hitting, blowing. Stroke means hitting or blowing. That is called stroke. Incident. Incident means an event that is important. That is called incident. Which is important? That event is called incident here. Ashamed. Ashamed means feeling uncomfortable because of something. Feeling uncomfortable because of something you have done. What? Irritating. Ashamed. So, what? Insult. That is called ashamed. You got the meaning of these dictation words. You have to write in your CW and HW one time. Now, I am starting the lesson. Here, the king, the wise king of Mewar. He was the king of the Mewar kingdom. He is ruling. Then what is the name of the Mewar king? Ranjit Singh was the king of the Mewar. What is the king name? Ranjit Singh. What is the king name? Ranjit Singh was the king of the Mewar. He was brave. He was how he was? He was so brave person. Brave king. As a lion. As a lion, he was brave. Then like a lion, he was very kind to the poor. He is very sympathetic person. He is showing some sympathy for the poor people. He is very kind to the poor. Who was kind? Ranjit Singh was a kind. Which kingdom he was ruling? He was ruling the kingdom of Mewar. How he was? He was poor. He was very kind and brave, and also what? He was so wise king. Then one day what happened? He was strolling in a garden, royal garden. It belongs to the kings and the great person. That part belongs to the royal persons. So there he was strolling in a garden, walking in that garden one day. His minister and some attendants, his servants and ministers were with him. They went to the garden with him. They followed him. Attendants and ministers. In that time, blowing breeze. Blowing breeze. Wind was blowing. Then the singing birds, so many types of birds singing, he heard in that garden, royal garden, that made blowing breeze and sound of the birds, melody sound of the birds, singing birds made him happy. Made him what? Made him happy to the Mewar king, Ranjit Singh. The breeze and the singing birds made him what? Happy, that Mewar king. After that, all of the sudden, a stone struck his forehead. In that garden, he was walking, strolling in that garden. That time, something came and struck on his forehead. Then everybody was stunned. That time, everybody was astonished. What happened to the king? Some of the servants hurried in the search of those who had thrown the stone. Something fell down, but what struck into his Mewar king, the forehead of the king, it struck and again fell down to the ground. They searched. The servants came hurriedly. They hurried near to the king in search of those who had thrown a stone. That stone fell down from his forehead to ground. It struck to the forehead. He got injured that time. The bleeding. It started to bleeding that time. Because of this what stone? Who thrown this stone in the garden? Some men went to call the doctor for giving the treatment to that wound. But they went to call the doctors. His attendants went to the doctors. But the king was calm. He is not what? He is not getting any what? Pain. He is so calm, in the mood of calm. Then he pressed the wound. That time when the stone struck on the forehead, he pressed the wound like this. He pressed the wound with his palm. He what? Pressed it and hold it and tried to control the bleeding. Try to control the bleeding of the blood. He hold the palm on the forehead, so he controlled the bleeding by holding the palm on the wound. After that, then came an old man. Then came an old man who looked very nervous. He thrown the stone. To the which tree? Mango tree. Because he was getting very hungry, so he felt a stone at the mango tree. But for getting the what? Fruits from the tree, he thrown the stone. So he was nervous by seeing this accident, by seeing this incident. It got struck to the king of the Mewar. It started bleeding. He saw that he was very nervous now. He